What's up, guys? Welcome to the pod. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And finally, the Gilas 12 lineup has been announced, no? And I'm sure na 99% of you are wondering, bakit to? Bakit yan? Bakit siya? And we are going to check out right now yung final 12 natin. That will face Guam inside the Ateneo Blue Eagle Gym in
Wait, Nico,
the world. What?
Nico, finally is not a good word to
Yeah, I was gonna
use.
say. I was gonna say.
What do you mean?
Ain't
Why?
nobody,
Why?
ain't
He
nobody
said
was.
finally nilabas na like you're implying that it was a good, you know,
Listen,
Hindi. I mean, finally,
win.
nirelease na nila. Like, yun lang. Not like, I like the result. I don't like
I
the result.
think, I think we can say finally if we said finally, wala na si.
Wala pa yun. Hindi ako kasi
So
matagal ko naninihintay. Ayun lang may point ko. It's not like masaya ako sa results or anything. Also, share ko na yung screen ko. Tingnan niyo itong po-point out ko, number one. Do you guys watch Attack on Titan?
Attack on Titan. I do not watch Attack on Titan. But
Ito si Quinn. Di
if
ba
you're
si...
talking about
Sino, sino,
QMB,
sino yung nagsi-strike out dito? Sino yung hindi binigyan? Di ba, kahirap ba mag-edit ng top ng ganyan? Na ilang...
Man,
Putik yan.
I'll tell you this. Focus on that um second row. Quentin Melora Brown already received his 13th month pay. Chris Newsom and CJ Perez not yet.
Why?
you
Why?
aren't
Kasi
smiling.
Yeah,
nakapagparibad na
yeah,
siya.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
You
yeah, 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 true.
aren't smiling, bro.
Right? Huwag na sila nagpaparibad pag nakareceive ng
Wait,
13th
sorry.
month. So,
Did you guys see the ano? Wait lang. Sorry. Go ahead.
oh wow. Left us blue ball. But go ahead, Nico.
Yeah. Looking at the comments right now, no, nakakatawa yung mga comments. Yeah, it's really interesting. Graham,
Guys,
I wanna
it's so
know,
funny, man.
uh, sa 12 na to, no, sino yung unang nag-stick out sa'yo?
RJ Barrientos.
Why? Why RJ? Why is RJ the one that
Why is
sticked
he there
out for
instead of
you?
Juan Gomez de Liana?
For me kasi, defend mo pa si RJ. Ako tatanggalin ko na talaga si Japet. Ang
Hello.
laki natin. Ang laki ng lineup na to. Sino pa bang pure point guard dito? We need another guard. Okay,
Oh,
Hello.
pasok si
wow.
Yeah, yeah. What's up, Mario?
Can you scroll down to the second comment? Natawa ako
What
sa
do you...
comment
Bro,
niya.
bro, natawa rin ako doon.
Hello?
Hindi tumira si Juan ng last shot. Kinuha ni Tim Conrad.
Nakisama na rin.
Brother, shout out to you, Robin Catolos. That's so funny, man.
Like, subscribe, Robin.
That's funny
Hindi
as
ka pa
hell,
Robin,
nag-aaral.
man. That's
Robin,
funny as
man.
hell, man.
When I'm sick, replace me, man. Like,
So funny, man. But,
Ay, said it with no
yeah.
haha. It's literally straight.
Yeah, he's serious
serious
Wala man
about
about
lang.
it.
He's
Serious
serious,
ba?
by the way. He's
Yeah.
serious.
Wala. Kasi
He's
usually, ha
so...
ha ha ha. Ha. Ito wala.
Yeah.
It's like straight period. Pak. This
But
guy
dude,
knows ball. You know ball comment of the week.
But
Oh,
dude,
yeah.
man, I don't know what to feel about the lineup. Number one, let's talk about the positives na lang. Positives first,
Mm.
then let's go negatives. Para
Sige,
para
boss.
malinis tayo, 'di ba?
Oh,
Number
oh.
one, I'll let Graham do number one. Graham, give me your first positive.
My first positive,
Yes.
we have QMB.
Oh.
Alright. Yeah, I agree, dude. QMB being in the lineup kasi, medyo, I like it. Kasi diba may nagka-issue for a time na
Mhm.
parang, he's only using Gilas as a way na maging Asian import siya. And he
Oh.
doesn't really want to play. So at least here he's gonna play, or at least he's lined up to play, man. Which is a good thing for Gilas in that aspect. And that limits the minutes of Japet
Mhm.
Aguilar, diba? Diba?
Mm.
That limits the minutes of Japs. So your three main bigs, yung centers mo talaga, are Junmar, QMB, and AJ. I think that's a good three.
Mhm.
I think it's a
Mm.
good big man lineup. And then we move on to the wings. Nico, what do you notice with the wings, man?
Okay naman. Carl, KQ, Dwight.
And
Wala
JB's right
na.
there, bro.
Oh yeah, sorry.
JB's
Yeah, of
second.
course JB. Of course for me
Mhm.
JB so ano naman. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I was just focusing lang
I was
on yeah.
confused for a second. Doon pala sila sa SEA Games di makakalaro, ano? Dito
Sila
pala
Yeah,
sila sa
Kanani.
FIBA.
JB. Mm.
Yeah, sila ni Ange.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, not anymore. Yeah,
Si
but
Ansha
then
3x3.
Yeah,
Pwede.
but 5v5 hindi sila. Okay.
Hindi
Yeah.
pwede, yeah.
Okay. All right. We
Yeah,
win.
of course, the
We
wings. Yeah,
agreed.
Mario. Yeah, with the wings. Okay, what's your...
Yeah, so the wings are good. I like the
Good.
wings.
Yeah, secured,
I don't think
secured.
there's a problem with the wings, diba?
Mhm.
Mm.
That's your four wings for a while now. Those have been your four wings for a while.
And I'm happy with it.
And I'm happy with it as well. Now let's go to the guards. Ito yung medyo magkakatalo tayo. Medyo magkakatalo
Hindi,
By the
tayo.
way,
I
by the
think
way,
magkakasundo tayo dito lahat sa guards.
by the way, when we did the episode about this 2
Oh,
weeks a week ago, this was my last 12. I just wasn't able to say it.
this was your last 12? You expected this to... kasi you
No,
Liar.
no.
What? Dude, I can't believe you fell for that. I can't believe you
All
just
right.
fell for
But
that.
yeah, let's talk about the guards.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah.
Oh.
Number one, I am very surprised wala si Juan in the final 12.
Wala si?
Juan.
Juan. Sorry.
Yeah. I am sad na wala si Juan sa lineup na to. I thought he was going to be in this lineup since Coach Tim added him. I thought he was a surefire addition to the team. But I think what happened here is, and I may be wrong, what happened here was Juan doesn't know Coach Tim's system. I think that's
Yeah.
basically how it always is, diba? And
Which makes
guess
sense
who?
na, okay, he needs time. Diba? He needs
Yeah,
time.
guess who knows his system?
Mm.
It's RJ Abarientos, brother. I think that's the
Yeah.
end. I think that's why it ended up being that way. I don't agree. I personally do not agree with RJ over Juan. Or I would have loved Juan more, especially since it's a Guam game.
Yeah.
Um,
Perfect time to get him acclimated. Di ba sinasabi
Perfect
natin
time to
yun?
get him out. Yeah, like exactly. Kasi you're using QMB now, diba?
Siya
You're already
pwede, di
using
ba?
QMB.
He
So
doesn't
you
know
know
the
you're gonna
triangle.
be experimenting a little bit, pero you won't use Juan, which make that one throws me off a little bit talaga. CJ and Chris, I'm not surprised they're there. I think there are better players who could have taken their spot, pero I'm not surprised they're there. And of course,
Mm.
alam naman natin, Scotty's not gonna leave Gilas until Coach Tim leaves
Yeah.
Gilas.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I think yung main thing lang talaga is just it was the last three cuts were Juan Gomez de Leano, Troy Rosario, and Jamie Malonzo.
Yeah. Two of those we can talk about. I mean Troy, that fine with Troy not being in the lineup, but especially one. I mean in Jamie nga kasi because of the angle that we know di ba? But
Yeah.
one over, I mean RJ over one. I mean I'm a Ginebra fan. I bought an RJ Barrientos jersey, used it twice. But him
Context lang,
over
context lang.
what? Yeah, right. Him over Juan Gomez de Leano. It's
Ah, Pwede naman
probably
silang dalawa ipasok eh.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what I
in the
was gonna
camp.
say also.
yeah.
Why do
Ako
we
ay,
need
yeah, we don't need to pick either or. We could just say like RJ and one, remove
Yeah.
Japet because we're too
Japit.
big.
Yeah.
You need, di ba? Tanggalin na si Japet.
exactly?
Tama na.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And this is
Yeah.
not
This is not Japet
this is not
slander,
an
ha?
attack. Yeah.
This is
This is
not
not.
Japet slander. Baka sabihin
He
nyo, bullshit na naman kami,
Bro, he
inaway
has
namin
done
si
enough.
Japs.
He has done more than enough
Yeah.
for
Guys,
Team
Ako, ang
Philippines.
inisip ko is, let's get Juan acclimated si QMB. Nagawa nyo, di ba? Why can't you do it for Juan?
exactly. And especially now that we know the news na um there's a certain little somebody coming back to wear Aguilas jersey during the SEA
Eh,
Games.
Oh,
There's a man with a
uh-oh.
there's a man with a magnificent mustache
Oh,
who
oh.
is willing to
Uh-oh.
put on the jersey for the SEA Games, man.
Uh-oh.
Um, so this is again begging the question. So this has happened so many times now. When people found out it was Coach Norman for the SEA Games, everybody decided that, oh, palag, men. Or
Parang the
Bobby
fire,
Ray,
no?
di ba? Bobby Ray
Bobby
was
Ray,
G.
Matthew Wright.
Matthew Wright was G.
Third is
Mike
G. Third is
Phillips,
back.
30 is G. Kiefer is G. Mike
Kiefer
Phillips
no.
was G.
Kiefer's not G.
Was
Kiefer's done na
Kiefer
with
not G? I remember seeing his
Kiefer's
name.
no, Kiefer said na he let third D. Parang ano na, it's more of
Methods na.
si kay thirds na, ganun na lang. Parang
Parang
si third DG.
si Lebron kay Bronny. Parang I'm done. It's yours.
Yeah,
Oh
parang
my God.
ganun. Okay.
Sure. Yep, sure. I got you there,
Sure.
Graham. But yeah, like
Sure.
the names who are choosing to play, who are willing to play. So we know there are people willing to play, man. We know
Mm.
they're willing to play. And we now know our Robert is willing to play as well. We now know Abu Trotter is willing to play, although
And
not
Gio
being.
Chu's willing to play.
And Gio Chu is willing to play. Mike Phillips is willing to play. Kay Maniladi is willing to play.
One Sports yun, di
Um,
ba?
alin?
Sige, go lang, go. Yung nakita natin yung ano na yun. Sige, go lang,
Who
go.
won
Ano lang.
the PVL kanina, Graham? Sorry, I wasn't watching.
Yeah, Akari versus Petrogas, Zeus versus PLDT. Just a side note.
Zeus?
Streamline is out. Yeah, Zeus number 1, man. Number 2.
No, I mean
So,
like, who played kanina is what I asked you, huh?
no, it's the quarterfinals. It's eight. It's 4 games, 8 teams.
To be fair, bro, Zeus's import's insane.
It's
Anna De
Anna De
Beers.
Beer.
Face
Anna
card,
De Beers.
good. And a nice woman, man. She's a nice woman.
Alright. Uh, yeah, so you can go back to where are we going? Okay, go lang. Okay,
No,
go
no, I'm
ahead.
just looking for like yung sa SEA Games lang na ano na
Bro, while
okay.
you're looking
Anyway,
for it,
whatever.
the comparison that I can make, I don't know if you two parang experienced this before. Alam mo yung pag may teacher ka no elementary tapos pabubuhat yung bag mo. Pag ayaw mo yung teacher, ay, okay, ayoko buhat yung bag niyan. Pero pag um, gusto mo yung teacher,
What's
pag gusto mo yung teacher, game on, buhatin ka
Where are we
rin.
going here?
what
Yung kay
school
kay
did
Coach
this?
Tim, what man, public school.
I'm
Public
so
school.
sorry. I didn't know that was a thing, guys. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
So, in public schools, when you see your teacher, bubuhatin mo yung bag niya para mag-offer ka, lalo pag gusto mo yung teacher, ma'am, buhatin ko na yung bag mo, bag na sa room. That's Coach Norman. Coach
Ah,
Tim,
okay.
I'll watch you. I'll just watch you. I'll just watch you get, That's the comparison that I can make. I know
I don't
public
fully get.
school students, former public school students can relate.
Yeah. Yeah. So going back to the thing.
Yeah.
Uh, sorry, I didn't get it. So I'm just gonna move past it. Okay. So I'm just gonna move past it, man. So there are other names who people have been asking for. What? But walang Jordan Heading, diba? People have said, but walang Jordan Heading. No R.R. Pogoy, no Aftana. Aftana's injured naman talaga. He chose to beg off from this one. So let's
Hmm.
count the MVP players on this on this team. I count one. I count one MVP player on this team, man.
Oh
The
yeah. It's
rest,
just Newsome.
yeah, it's just Newsome, bro. It used to be Calvin and Newsome, but now
Eh,
it's just
wait, Calvin
Newsome.
si ano eh, injured. Ay, ano ba? Calvin's not okay,
Injured,
right?
injured.
Injured si
Injured
Calvin,
na.
yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
there was a time that this image would have been filled by MVP group
Oh,
players.
Man.
9-8-9.
Bro, that's Kelly Williams, Jimmy
Rani del De
Alapag,
Ocampo,
Ranidel
Larry
De
Jimmy
Fonashe.
Ocampo,
Alapag, Jason Castro.
You
Castro,
forgot to take off their TNT jersey and just, call it a day.
it was the Gilas TNT and now it's the Gilas SMC, man.
Head coach Chot Reyes, assistant coach Josh Reyes. Right?
Bro, kompleto sila nun.
Kompleto
May
nga sila
BG,
nun.
may BGR pa tayo nakikita. May, ang dami nun, man.
We have gone
Kib
a long
Montalvo.
way.
Kib Montalvo in the Gilas jersey was when he
God
was in
bless.
TNT, bro.
God
Dude, what a
bless Kim
time. What a
Montalvo,
time.
man. God
Bro,
bless Kim
TNT was,
Montalvo.
and now it's SMC. I would prefer a mix talaga. Here are player in this 12. I want us to do this thing where we look at the player, we say the player's name, then let's say if we think they should be on Gilas until now or next year. Game? You guys wanna do that shit?
Na ano?
Yeah.
If
So
ano, if
if they should still be here or not, or if they should be replaced.
by 20 for
The New
February, like
Zealand game?
yung
By
the
the
New
New
Zealand
Zealand game?
game.
February, yeah, February, sure.
Sige, New
February.
Zealand game. New Zealand game.
Yeah. Okay.
From
Japet
top to
Aguilar.
remove. Kaya na yan. Kaya Soto na to.
I agree. Remove
Kai's back
for
na
Kai Soto.
February.
I agree. RJ Avarientos.
By February,
February.
sana si Juan. Sana si Juan.
Yeah.
For
At least
now,
one.
kasi we're gonna si Juan muna. Sana si Juan.
Yeah.
Sana si Juan.
Yeah. Justin
He's
Brownlee,
staying, Skip.
Stay,
AJ Edu,
stay.
Junmar Fajardo.
Baka ipasok ko si RJ dito.
RJ?
Hindi kasi RJ is not, 'di ba? So paano? So
Ah.
I'm I'm including Juan and RJ.
So tatanggalin mo si
Ah.
Junmar.
Oo.
Ooh.
By February, by
Are
February.
you removing Junmar or imumove mo lang siya pababa?
I'm removing Junmar.
You're removing Junmar against New Zealand.
He's gonna get
Against
I'm
New
hunted.
Ruby.
Zealand, I don't know. Kasi
Mag-isip, depende pa sino
may
pang
mga big
ano.
men yun eh, man. Well, to be fair, we have Kai and Q and AJ already by that point, so it should be fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, okay, anyway, QMB. Come
He
on.
Stay. Keep
stays. He
keep keep na
stays.
Stay.
yan for the
Keep na
foreseeable
yan.
future na yan. Hanggang
Chris
until the
Newsom.
wheels fall off. Stay.
Chris
Stay.
Newsom.
Stay. Stay.
Is
Stay
he
okay, Nunu.
staying?
Eh
Graham.
Is
tayo
he
naman based on
staying?
our own, ano
Yeah, yeah,
'diba,
yeah. That's why I'm
evaluation.
asking
Okay.
Graham.
I'ma keep Nunu. I'ma keep Nunu.
That's why I'm asking Graham.
I'd
Graham.
rather have this is
Stay nga.
tough.
Stay ako
I'd
kay
You're
rather
staying
have
Nico. Okay.
Oftana, man. I'd rather
You'd
have
rather have
Oftana.
Caldwin. I see. CJ.
diyan ko ipapasok si Calvin. Re-remove ko
Oh,
si CJ.
ako, dyan ko ipapasok si Robert Bolick. They do the same thing. I think one just does it better. I think
Bolik's a playmaker. Also a playmaker. CJ's not a
that,
playmaker. He cannot
that's
create
my
for
point.
this team. Yeah.
That's why I would rather have Bolick over CJ. Although it again depends
Ayun.
talaga on 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 yung if Bolick wants to play for Gilas and if Coach Tim
And if
wants it.
Coach Tim wants him to play for
Yeah.
Gilas.
Then I think the bottom four we can agree naman na stay yung apat na yun, di ba?
Oh,
Except
kasi
is there
si
one that
Scotty's gonna
is there one that you
si
guys wouldn't say?
wala, okay na yan. Okay na yung apat na yan.
I
Yeah.
mean, I
Deal.
mean, if RJ's staying, then Scott is staying.
Yeah,
Oh.
you're not wrong. You're
Ay,
not wrong. You're not. Now my question is, before we fully close it out, if there were two college players you would put into the lineup, who would those two college players be?
college
LP9 not
right now?
aside from LP9,
Oh, sige, aside from LP9.
Let's just pretend that LP9 has passport issues
Oh,
and
yeah.
he's not
Let's use
eligible to play. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. Let's just say that.
alright.
In this
Go
world,
ahead, Nico. Go ahead, Nico.
who are your
sino
two
nga
who you would put in from
na
the
local
college
already?
version?
Kasi if you think about it, si Kaimani is
Hindi.
a
Let's say na
local
possible
sila.
hindi pa.
So is Mike eligible?
Let's say in this world, in this context, Mike, Kaimani, um, are eligible also.
I would rather have Kaimani over Mike because Mike
I'd
doesn't
have
have a
Kemani
jump
Lagi,
shot.
but
I
Mara
said
is
two. I
asking
said
for
two.
two. So
So Kai and
Is Kai and Mike the
pwede. Kaimani
is
and
that
Mike.
the answer that everybody will give in this one? I think it's Kai and Mike. It should be Kai and Mike,
Kai
right?
and Mike. Kai and Mike. Dom
Yeah.
and
Although
Mike.
I
Dalawa ng Dwight Ramos na.
boy, you know what? Low key. I'll replace Kemani Lagi with Nick Cabanyero.
No way, bro!
oh
Yeah,
no
International game?
yeah.
5v5
oh
si Nick. Perfect for 3x3. Nick's perfect for 3x3.
oh
Nagilas. But
oh
5v5? Graham.
that's crazy.
Have you seen Nick Cabanyero in UST?
We have in UST.
Oh.
In UAAP, yes. 3x3 Graham bagay siya. Perfect siya for 3x3 international. Pero 5v5, wala pa rin jump shot si Nick Graham.
Oh my God.
And parang he's too slow for a two guard. Kasi magiging two guard yan sa Gilas.
Oh my
Man,
God.
I
That was a take, bro.
I'm telling you,
That
That
was
one
a take.
that
I
one
am big
floored
on
me,
Nick
bro.
Cabanyero.
Something
That one.
Mario would never thought he would hear from Graham.
Bro, that one floored me. That's nuts. That one was nuts. Okay, all right, sure, man. I don't know why I asked that question. I don't know, and I want to take it back just
Gusto
because
mo
of
magising, di ba? Sabi ni Graham, gusto mo magising, di ba?
oh
Listen,
my
listen
God.
to me.
I
Oh
just
my.
told you all I believe everything that I say. And
Oh
I
my
know. I know
God.
that's why Mario got floored because he knows you believe what you said.
I'll do it. I'll do it. That's why I don't have a job in the PBA or any
That's why
executive
you're not with the
office.
board, man. That's why you're
Yeah,
not.
that's right.
Oh
But man,
my.
yeah. You know what?
Okay, so just
Let's do it, man.
Di pwede bawiin.
All right. Di ka ba niya?
Di
We
pwede
ain't
bawiin.
deleting.
Sinabi mo na.
We ain't deleting it.
All
We
right.
ain't deleting
This
it.
would have been easier if LP9 did not have passport issues, but
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
pass it. You're right, you're right. But just going into this thing, back to the Gilas thing, just so that we
Yeah,
can close it out well.
yeah,
They're not
yeah,
gonna lose to Guam.
yeah.
They're
they're
not
not.
gonna lose to Guam, guys.
That's why,
Or
brother, that's why yung dahilan na he doesn't know the system. This is the perfect time.
Yeah, because
yeah,
that should apply to this guy. Di ba? Kung okay, he doesn't know the system. He doesn't know. He's not here in the Philippines. I'm playing in the Philippines
He's here, huh?
recently. Yeah, no, I'm saying that he hasn't been playing the Philippines.
Yeah, he hasn't. That's why. So
Yeah, if you're gonna use like brand of basketball, at least you won. He's in the PBA, di ba?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he's been in the PBA for like
Ever since the
for
start of
like
the
two
draft.
months, but sure.
Di ba? Yeah, but still, di ba? Mas may head start pa kasi one more than QMB if you think about it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah, for
yeah.
sure.
Anyway, but of course, we love QMB to be in the play until the wheels fall off, QMB.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, go off, Q. I hope you stay
Go
there
off,
for a
Q.
while. Hope you go off, man.
I hope Nico you have
Mm.
the same mantra for Junmar because you just kicked him out for February.
Junmar has already given us so much. No disrespect to Junmar. No disrespect to Junmar at all. It's just that nabigay mo na lahat. Let the man
Yeah.
go to his farm. Have you seen his YouTube? Let the man go to
Yeah.
his farm. Let him rest. Let him be with his
Let him
hobbies.
play Dota, man.
Let
That's
him play Dota. I watch
the
him stream on TikTok. So,
yeah.
Dota ba yung lalaro niya? Di ba ano yun? Um,
He
what's this
plays
called?
ano?
Di ba LOL
Mobile
yun?
Legends. Mobile Legends.
Oh, akala ko LOL yun. Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
But one more thing before we close it out. There was this guy who commented si Justin Santos on the Gilas video we made last like 5 days ago.
yeah.
Na he's from Guam. And he wanted to share
Oh
some
yeah.
insights, bro. Hit us
Oo
up
nga
on
pala.
IG or whatever. We have an
Oo
IG
nga
account.
pala. Oo nga,
We have
no?
an IG account somewhere
We
there.
need that. We need that.
Yeah, let us know, brother. If you know, I know some of these players lang. I don't know all of them. I know
I know
Jericho.
Jericho Cruz.
I know that
Jericho Cruz,
The
oo nga.
Borja guy.
Sino yung yung nag-declare for PBA draft? Di ba may isa dun daw?
wait lang.
Ah.
Guam national team lineup. Check natin kung may kilala pa ako dito. Ay, sorry, basketball pa. Basketball.
Guam is a
Nakaitim.
US territory, right?
Yeah, I know. Yun si Ernest Ross Jr. He's a shot chucker. Yun yung alam ko about him. He wants to shoot threes all the time. Ty Wesley, he's old. If I'm correct, Ty Wesley is old as hell. I don't know if he's gonna be playing this tournament, but probably he's a big man.
Alam
Then
ko na
there's
sa
the
Final 12 daw siya.
Yeah, then there's the other guys, Jonathan Galloway. These are like decent players naman. So again, not really a game Gilas should lose. Uh Hopefully they don't, because South Korea I think
Oh.
beat these guys by like 40 something the last time I remember. So hopefully it doesn't reach that point for hopefully Gilas is able to make a good pang stand, or I guess hopefully they show out very well in those games.
Yeah, I expect them to. Like, um, again, this is Guam. Like, we have to win by 12, 10 to 10.
So between
That
12,
makes
bro.
sense. That
Whatever
makes sense
you
naman.
No, he always picks the number 12.
Yeah,
Like
is your favorite number 12?
No, it's 13. It's actually 13. But
Sana LP 13.
no. It's because of it's because of Helterbrand. He was my favorite
Oh
player.
yeah, actually. Kala ko kagiwa
But
eh.
no, I don't like ball hugs, man. But yeah, we should be able to beat Guam.
Okay.
Again, saan nanginayang talaga ako kay Juan, man. Like, there's the
Yeah,
perfect
well, it
time
is what it
to
is na time for one. But
alam mo
yeah,
yung
yeah.
brother, alam mo yung pag nagtuturo ka ng mag-drive, you do it on a Sunday morning
So ito yung,
when
okay,
it's
yeah, yeah.
not
This is a good
busy.
na, okay.
When it's not
That's a
busy,
good one, Graham.
This is a good
Finally.
one.
right?
Your teacher kanina was what the heck, ano? Pero,
No, it's for Coach Norman. Coach, ito yung parang tuturo ka Sunday mag-drive the parallel park, reverse parking. Pag Sunday
mm.
na umaga, wala masyadong tao. This is the perfect time for one. But again, if he did not take the shot, probably he would have gotten the shot. Pun intended. But
I don't think that's the reason, by the
yeah,
way,
yeah,
guys.
yeah, I know. Hey, what
Just
about Jamie Malonzo? Why did he not get in?
You know why is
Okay, got it.
you know why.
Purgatory muna. Purgatory muna. Purgatory
Purgatory
muna
muna.
bago. You can't go back to heaven if you after you did that first.
Ah,
Mag-purgatory ka muna, magano, magmukmuk ka muna diyan, tapos
Magano ka
cleanse
muna, magpa-appeal ka muna sa PBA board tsaka na natin pag
pa-appeal ka muna sa PBA board, ganun. It's gonna be
yourself,
okay.
Mr. Malonzo.
It's gonna be fine.
So the script is not real, Mario.
The script's not real, man. If he was in the final lineup, I would have said the script is real.
Oh yeah, but if he was, then it is for real.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Excited. Kailan to? November 29? 28?
8 ba?
28? in big.
Man, there's just so much basketball next few days. Eh.
Galing. We love our Gilas episodes though. Yung mga recordings
Yeah,
natin. A
Mhm.
lot of
bro,
people
there's
are in the
too many
comments.
Gilas. Yeah.
Easy
This is
100
where
comments.
this is where I get the least hate, man.
Which one?
Sa Gilas episodes.
You haven't said anything wild in Gilas. Technically you've been safe in Gilas eps. We just react kasi.
Except
We
for the
don't
Nick
say.
Caballero.
You said something kanina though.
Nick Caballero.
It's okay, Graham. 80% of people that watch this podcast does not know Nick. At least itong part na mga Gilas na to kasi some of them are just pure PBA fans.
Hey.
So you'll be
If
fine.
you're
You'll be
listening,
fine.
Nick Caballero, watch out for that name.
Oh, here's a new agenda, Mario. Shit.
In NC9?
Is he also wearing
NC9?
9? I think he is, di ba?
I think he wears 9 eh.
That's Graham's new favorite number. Guess it's 9 now.
Kasi may
Yeah,
ST9 din dati. Kala ko
ST9
wore
nga eh.
9.
May ST9 nga, di ba?
yeah. All right. And then Johnny
Graham
Ball,
couldn't believe it.
number 9, man. Life's good.
JB9.
Right? Ronnie James, where's number? That's a different story.
All right. Sige guys, thank you so much for listening to the Six Man Podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time and go Gilas.
Adios, amigos. Better luck next time, JDL, JGDL.